Hey everyone, it's Dan Wardrope here from Flexxable. I have another quick little screencast video for you to share today. It is a nice little hack that we use within my paper lead agency to figure out whether or not campaigns or audiences are working within our advertising campaigns. And this can work for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, native advertising taboola. It doesn't even matter, right? This is actually a nice little hack that you can implement very quickly if you're using kind of survey funnels and quiz funnels and segmenting people within on your landing page, right? And this is what it looks like. Okay. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching our content. Every Tuesday and Thursday we're going to be releasing new videos, so if you want to stay up to date, all you have to do is click that subscribe button and ring that bell right down there. For those of you, this is a sneak peek with inside our course. We teach people how to build pages like this and go for a niche within a niche. So obviously financing a hybrid vehicle through a business is going to be very specific and speak to a very specific part of the market. And it's also going to be a very sexy kind of ad, or maybe not sexy, but you know what I mean? It's going to stand out from the crowd because it's actually going in for the jugular. It's talking about an offer that not many people kind of see. Usually it's just like finance any car you want and 1.99% for bad credit or something like that. And it doesn't always work that way. In fact, it doesn't work very well at all. And we teach different angles into the market and how to do it. So imagine someone's clicked on an ad from Facebook, for example, and they've clicked on this page. All right. As soon as this page loads, you should have an event firing within Facebook to show that the landing page has been hit, right? Not what many people don't realize is that people will scroll down here and have a look and do their thing. And it takes, they'll figure out whether they want to go ahead. And let's say 100 people hit this page and start looking around. How many of them start the quiz, right? If you can measure the number of people out of those 100 that start the quiz and click that button right there, for example, then you will be able to pull that data back into your ad campaigns. And actually, Facebook will tell you when you kind of go in and analyze your campaigns and into your audiences. So say, for example, you're going after interest 1, which is business owners, and interest 2, which could be car lovers or something like that. And you can see the business owners are clicking on this and none of them are actually moving forward and clicking the quiz, right? As opposed to the car lovers interest, they'll be the ones that are clicking the quiz and getting started, right? And it means you can learn faster because you'll be able to discount the first audience versus the second audience much quicker without having to worry about waiting for conversions. They're kind of called like micro commitments or micro conversions, and they're very powerful. I hope that makes sense. Very quick video today, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to drop us a comment below this video. Please subscribe to all of our channels if you want to see more videos like this and quick little hacks that'll save you loads of money and time. Take care.